fuck?
What happened to my car?
What do you mean? What happened to
What
your
happened
car?
to my car?
I don't know.
Now Noonie stuff messed up. What's going on? You
Bro, I've
been
been
here?
in here asleep picking off my fucking lashes. I ain't been out there.
Come out here. This girl's stuff is ruined. And you been
Why
here.
are y'all waking me up? That's my whole friend. Why would I do that? Give me my damn camera.
Cause your people need to see you being foul. I know this is your work.
No, it wasn't. I didn't do shit.
You probably did do that shit.
No, I didn't. I was just up in there asleep.
No, shut up, nigga. You probably mad about your nigga.
Exactly.
Your bitch ass probably did that shit.
Where Noonie at?
She upstairs crying and shit, mad about her clothes.
She not crying.
I was trying to get
Y'all got her crying. Y'all bogus as hell. Whoever did do that. This is not me.
What was your crybaby ass? God damn, nigga, stop following us.
Irritated.
I'm over here trying
Somebody get to the bottom of this shit.
Yeah, my lashes is getting
Baby, you please
tucked
tell
off
Lola,
as
shut up.
we speaking.
Like, damn.
No, nigga.
Baby,
Talk about my girl.
I'm trying to make it positive, telling her that she could do a vintage look.
Friend, what happened?
They talking about you, that you probably bleached my clothes. You didn't even
Why
touch
would I
my
do
shit.
that? I don't even go upstairs.
I know this crystal work. Look at this shit. This could be a clean vintage look. I was telling Noonie what she could do is throw some tin boots with this.
So you did that?
What are you talking about?
She got it.
You ran out.
Nigga, I was not never up here. Nigga, I don't even come up here. What are y'all talking about?
Girl, bye.
I was just
Now she don't come up here.
Nigga, I'm trying to be positive, bro.
But she knows she did that shit.
I'm trying to be positive.
Look at my eyes, y'all.
What you doing? Are you gonna help?
I mean,
you trying to be
I'm not
positive
doing
right
that.
now?
I'm not helping with shit. My girl ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. Why the fuck would I do
But
it?
can't she just wash these and wear these around the crib?
No,
Like, what you sound like, please?
that.
Look at her. This nigga, he
That
been
shit
here all
bogus as
day.
hell. Mine not even saying shit. Had
My eyes
dumbass.
fucked up and shit because of Jazz bitch ass.
I'm fucking dead.
I don't know who touched that shit.
Let me smell the clothes. I ain't never seen it.
But I ain't, nigga, look, this thing talking about he never seen it, nigga. He did that shit. I have nothing to do with this.
Jazz, you did this.
Babe, why do you think
You in
listen,
here talking about, oh yeah, vintage this, vintage
I'm
that.
being positive.
Girl, bye.
Smell my hands.
No, don't
Smell
put your
like
hands by me.
Hey,
Don't
Jazz,
put
but
your
we
hands by me.
gotta
Stop.
Jazz,
Pen.
this hard.
Nigga, I was telling Noonie she could wear that
That
like
shit
a
is
drip.
not hard.
So that ain't drip.
Look like a fucking goofy.
I wear it. If you ain't gonna wear it, I'm
So that ain't no drip. I'm gonna tell you she can do like a vintage look.
Bitch, you know.
Bitch, don't shake my hand, bitch. Cause I feel like you
Move.
fucking broke my fucking car window.
Bitch ass motherfucker.
Goofy ass.
Now they arguing about the
250,
window.
Goofy.
What's next?
Pay that
What's
250.
next for real at this point?
Fucking nut.
Sorry, go get your, go
That's why your window fucked up.
Bitch ass nigga window broke.
Oh God. Hey.
I'm fucking dead. This shit is so extra, y'all. I'm in a room
I don't
sleep
even
trying to
feel bad.
rejuvenate and shit.
I'm glad all this shit happened.
What you talking about, bitch? I didn't like you broke my window with your whole ass.
Let me get some chips. I'm Yes, don't touch shit of mine because I don't do shit to nobody. I've been in the room the whole time, man. It's my motherfucking business.
Babe, so be honest with me.
Huh? What?
So did you or did you not spray paint in my car? I feel like you've been here all day, bro.
I've been here
Somebody
all
get
day,
this
but
shit.
I've been working. I swear to God, I have not been doing anything.
So how did she get spray painted? What about my window being busted?
I didn't do that. I came back from the beauty supply and that shit was like that. And then, post up getting messed up.
Bro, why do niggas
See,
wanna,
oh my God.
why do niggas wanna play, bro? Bro, I was in here asking my girl a question, bro. Open the door with your goofy ass. Nigga, I was asking her about some real shit that I ain't want nobody else to hear.
Hey, so look, you gonna stay in there for an extra 10 minutes. You feel me, honey?
Babe, push the door.
Nigga, open the door. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it now.
Bitch ass nigga, open the door, bro. This nigga's a hoe. This nigga trying to lock us in the pantry, bro, knowing it's small in here, nigga.
Open
My girl
up.
claustrophobic, nigga. She gonna have an anxiety attack with your dumb ass. Hey, sue him.
You wanna play?
Sue him.
Oh, chill out, bruh.
Sue
You
him.
doing too much,
Yeah.
bruh.
Get him,
You
babe.
doing too much on
Get
shorty.
him.
You doing too much.
Get him. Get him. Nigga, get they chain back and feeling real big.
Don't even do that.
Nigga, get they chain back and feeling real good.
Tripping, Flo. She got power, nigga. Oh, my mama chill, bruh.
Babe, chill. That's the.
You wanna play? He just locked me in a closet like I was a goofy. Ooh.
Get some water or something. Don't do this. Get some water.
Boy, you was with that shit.
I knew it was extra powerful, bro. I knew it was extra powerful, bro.
Y'all with that shit?
Jazz,
Whoop their ass.
I ain't do it.
Bitch ass. Why are you trying to follow me?
I ain't do it. I swear to God, I didn't do it.
Whip his ass. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Nigga, I ain't do that shit. I ain't do that shit.
Blow.
They the ones that doing this shit.
Bro. They gonna lock us in here, bro.
For real. They gonna play with these shit.
Bitch ass.
You bitch ass nigga. Babe, please whoop his ass, bro. Like,
They irritating.
he's lightweight. You good, Noonie, bro? But I promise you, I ain't do it. You not talking to nobody, bro. Babe, what I
Me
do?
in the middle of this shit. You the one that did that to her clothes.
Babe, I was never up there. You can smell my hands. It's no Clorox. None of that on my hands. No bleach or none of that.
Tell me anything. You just saying that so you just.
Whatever, bro. Fix you some ice. The fuck? Everybody mad in this bitch for no reason, bro. Fuck y'all, everybody got attitudes for it, nigga. Shit, my fucking window busted. I'm the only nigga that should be mad.
Everything happening to everybody.
Crystal, nothing happened to you. What are you talking about? Shut up.
Okay, just cause it ain't happening to me don't mean it ain't gonna happen.
What are you talking about? Nobody's plotting on you. You been in the room all day with Duda.
And I really hope that. Because
The fuck?
if anything happened to me, it's gonna go up for whoever did it.
You like that for real?
I'm like that. So Jazz, if you behind this shit, let me just look at shit. If you behind this shit,
Look at me.
it's up to stuff.
Look at me. Cause why the fuck would I break my own car? Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Nigga, shut your team. Bro, these niggas teaming up. Look at these. Oh, we are better together, neck ass. Get y'all dirty asses on, nigga. Nobody not worried about y'all, nigga. You a bitch, nigga.
You trying to handle that shit right now?
Fuck is wrong with you?
You can handle this shit right
Give me
now.
a high five.
Bitch on God, nigga. Bitch, ain't nobody jumping me, bitch. I swear to God, nigga. I'ma hold my shit. Fuck what you talking about, nigga? Nigga, I'ma hold my shit, nigga. I'ma hold my shit. I'ma hold my shit.
Come on, Ford.
I'ma hold my shit, nigga. Nigga, let me get my girl a camera. I'ma hold my shit. Get your camera. These goofy ass niggas. These goofy ass niggas.
Hey y'all. I'm back live in the flesh.
Hey, real shit.
That's what, look, when you spell weak, remember, you know what I'm saying? Flow.
Watch your baby. I'm not playing.
Remember Flo and Amar. Look how they so teamed up. Them niggas.
Yes.
I'm chilling.
Y'all ass weird.
I'm chilling.
I ain't
got shit to do with this.
I ain't bust your window, Jazz.
Yeah, bro. But whoever did, I'm glad they did.
Whoever did it, I support you. If it was Kai,
Salute.
Amar,
Salute.
Looney. I don't know who bust the window, but
Up the skull.
I'm dead.
I'm just
bust your window and you
I'm just confused.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What a Crystal did when y'all doing all this shit.
What are
You
you
did that
talking
shit?
about? I was in the room all day with
You
my
did
first
that
baby.
because when we got back out, car keys, nigga.
Give my
Since you
girl
want
shit,
bleach
bro.
clothes and shit, I think
Give my girl shit, bro. Why'd you playing with her keys like you a fucking kid, nigga?
It's my
Give me
shit,
her
nigga.
fucking keys, nigga.
My shit, nigga.
See this nigga weird.
Did you see? I got your mama shit, nigga. Fuck you talking about. This is my shit, nigga. Fuck you talking about. No, nigga, shit.
I think one fell out.
This regular ass fucking, this a Benz key. This ain't gonna be a Benz key no more once I wake this bitch.
Nigga, stop playing, nigga. Stop playing, nigga.
Alright.
Get my fucking
You know Crystal will throw that on you.
Throw it on me now, nigga. How you gonna catch me? How you gonna catch me? How you gonna catch me? Fuck you talking about? Do it,
get him.
do it.
Get my fucking.
Alright, bro, what you talking? Alright, get over there, don't give your keys. I was on 30.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
Matter of fact,
Come on me.
I'm finna set you a alarm off.
Stop fucking playing.
Come here. Now give her the keys, bro. Bring the keys. Bro, stop fucking playing, nigga. God damn, put out the fucking people out here looking at shit. Don't
Alright, hold on.
Damn. Stop that shit.
Stop that shit, Chris.
Damn. What the? That motherfucker say Duda was here. Babe, stop the alarm.
Bro, it's little flies in my car.
Bro, what? Damn, that motherfucker say fuck you.
Wait, it said Doodle was here.
Damn, this motherfucker dirty. Shit. Man, it's a Pringle box back here.
Going in the house, she mad.
Nigga.
Nigga trash Crystal shit.
Nigga, it's a whole
Wait, why I say
Pringle
Flo was here
box.
like I did this shit?
Where, nigga?
It said, look, it say Jazz was here, Flo was here.
Nigga say my name?
That's right.
You need the fucking door open, bro.
Bro, what the fuck? Flo is here, Jack. Nigga, I wasn't here. Amar, your name on this shit too, gang.
It say Flo. Hey, nigga trying to frame.
Bro, it say Amar was here. Niggas trying to frame. It say Doodle was here, nigga. Like,
$100 in this bitch.
Bro. Look at that.
bro, get your. Nigga, get on, nigga.
Bro, alright. This shit fake. Nigga left fake money in her car. You just
fake.
you trying to steal it and it's fake. Stupid ass nigga.
That's fake. You dumb as hell.
Bro, what you doing, Crystal?
Bae.
Bro, what is you doing?
Clean the shit.
You clean it up.
right now.
Hey, Chris, I'm glad this shit happened to your goofy ass, nigga.
What the?
That's phone card.
Hey, I ain't do that. I ain't do that. Shit.
Bae.
I swear, hey, I
Bae.
ain't do that.
Who did this shit
Alright,
to my
I don't
car?
do that.
Bae.
Do that.
Bae, I had not.
It was either Markai or Nooney. It was either Markai or Nooney. For real, it was either Markai or Nooney.
I'm glad this happened.
Bae, I ain't had nothing to do with this.
Yeah. Very happy. Very happy. Look at all this.
Bae, Amar name on there. Bae, they try to frame me. Look, they gonna put Jazz was here. Flo was here. They put my name knowing damn well I wasn't here.
That's like,
Damn, Bae, stop throwing shit.
Motherfucker.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Y'all need to calm down. This not gonna, listen, Flo, stop throwing stuff. It's not gonna help anything, my
I ain't do
nigga.
that for real. I ain't do that.
This not gonna make anything better, bro.
Crystal, if I did it, why would it say Flo was here?
Hey, say, man.
For real.
Oh,
please, I didn't do it. I
shit.
didn't do it, Chris. I didn't do it. I promise you, I didn't do it.
Oh,
Bro, it was
shit.
either Amar, Nooney, or Kaya.
Bae, do it. Fuck that nigga.
Listen. Think about it. If I did it, why would it say Flo was here?
Who did this?
If I did it, why would it say Flo was here? I just cleaned it. For real.
He did just clean his car, baby. We have not even messed with your stuff. All of our stuff been getting fucked with all day.
I didn't do it.
Open up the garage.
Babe, what do you mean open up the garage?
Open up the garage.
Open up the garage for what, babe?
Open it.
Babe, listen, all my life, I have not touched your stuff. I ain't touched your... Flo, why is you trying to be a... Flo, why is you trying to be a snitch and open up the garage, bro? That's the whole shit, bro.
My car to get fucked up.
Babe,
The window.
babe, it was Amar. Look, he locking us out.
See, it was Amar. I told you.
I knew it was that hoe ass
I knew it
nigga,
was
bro.
Amar.
That nigga probably broke my fucking car window.
I helped you.
Had me spending extra money today, nigga. I had to spend fucking $350 today fucking with you today, nigga. I knew it was you. I knew it was your goofy ass, nigga.
Motherfucker. I can't. I ain't got one. I'm finna help you clean it though.
Tell Noonie to open it.
Babe,
Do shit.
babe, have you asked Noonie or Kaya? Babe, have you asked Noonie or Kaya? You asking us like we did it. It say Doodle was here too.
They say Doodle was here
Yo,
too.
dumb ass.
Babe, babe, babe,
Babe, babe,
babe,
babe.
babe, babe, have you asked Noonie?
That's a fucking
Bro.
goofy.
Can you tell Noonie to come here?
Say Doodle was here.
Tell Noonie to come here, cause
Noonie,
she
come
probably
here.
did this.
Look.
Babe, move back. You need to ask your friend.
Dude say Doodle was here. Look
Shut
at
the
this.
fuck up, bitch.
Doodle was here. Doodle probably did it for real.
It probably was Doodle,
It probably
bro.
was Doodle. For real, cause I ain't do this shit. Look, they say Doodle was here.
It's like, I'm laughing because I know when I catch whoever did this to my car, it's up.
Shit, I ain't do it, man.
Noonie is right here.
Open up the door, pussy.
Noonie, Noonie, bro. Do you see Crystal car, bro? It's trash, bro. You do that shit, bro?
Don't open the fucking
Cause your shit just got bleached.
She's throwing Germans in here.
Babe, scoot back so Noonie can open the door. Scoot back. Scoot back.
Y'all know I didn't do this shit. I ain't even been here long enough.
Bro, I feel like it was you, nigga. Yo, shit, look, fuck you.
Why would I say that?
Like, look at all this trash and shit, bro. It's a whole Pringle
Bro, it
box.
say Amar was here. What you
Tell me if you did it.
Babe, I didn't do it. I swear on my granny, I didn't do it. Why are you trying to pour that on me? I didn't do it.
Y'all did wrong. Y'all playing crazy.
I ain't do that shit.
I didn't do
I
it.
really ain't do it on me. I help you
Damn, I help you clean it, though.
Yeah, like,
clean it though. I help you clean it though.
That shit.
y'all playing.
Dirty as hell, boy.
I ain't do that shit.
Shit. Heart not life.
They ain't had